Best metal protection inhibitors prevent rust, corrosion, and oxidation, extending your vehicle's lifespan while preserving performance, appearance, and long-term value in harsh conditions. My today's video is about top 5 best metal protection inhibitors for vehicles that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at WD-40 Specialist Corrosion Inhibitor. The WD-40 Specialist Metal Protection Inhibitor is an excellent choice for anyone looking to prevent rust and corrosion on valuable metal components. Its advanced formula creates a durable protective barrier that blocks air and moisture, helping safeguard parts for up to 2 years indoors and 1 year outdoors. Whether you're maintaining vehicles, tools, machinery, or equipment exposed to humid, rainy, or winter conditions, this product delivers dependable long-term protection. One of its standout features is the non-drying lubricant that stays exactly where it's applied without dripping or running, ensuring consistent coverage. The included precision straw makes it easy to target hard-to-reach areas while minimizing waste. It's also 50-state VOC compliant and NSF Category A7 certified, making it suitable for professional maintenance applications. Backed by the trusted WD-40 brand, this metal protection inhibitor offers reliable performance in demanding environments. It's a practical investment for extending the life of metal parts and reducing costly rust-related repairs. Now our second product is 3M Professional Grade Rubberized Undercoating. This multi-purpose undercoating is an excellent solution for protecting your vehicle while improving driving comfort. Designed for cars, trucks, and recreational vehicles, it creates a durable asphalt-based barrier that shields the undercarriage from rust, moisture, road salt, and everyday abrasion. It's especially effective in high-impact areas like wheel wells, quarter panels, interior fenders, and even under the hood. One of its standout features is its sound deadening capability, which helps reduce road noise and vibrations for a quieter, more comfortable ride. The aerosol spray can make application quick and convenient, allowing you to achieve even coverage without specialized equipment. Whether you're restoring an older vehicle or adding preventive protection to a new one, this undercoating delivers long-lasting results. It helps extend the life of vulnerable metal surfaces while maintaining your vehicle's structural integrity. For anyone seeking dependable rust prevention, abrasion resistance, and noise reduction in a single product, this undercoating is a smart and worthwhile investment. Our third product is Adams Iron Remover. Adams Iron Remover is a premium detailing solution that effectively eliminates stubborn iron deposits, brake dust, and metallic contamination from paint, wheels, and other metal surfaces. Its upgraded formula works faster than previous versions while producing less odor, making the detailing process more pleasant without sacrificing performance. A standout feature is the color-changing reaction that turns red as it dissolves embedded iron particles, giving users clear visual confirmation that the product is actively cleaning. The pH-neutral formula is safe for paint, clear coats, wheels, and other delicate finishes, making it an excellent choice for routine maintenance or surface preparation before claying, waxing, or applying ceramic coatings. Because it's ready to use, there's no mixing or dilution required. Simply spray, allow it to react, and rinse thoroughly. Suitable for cars, trucks, motorcycles, RVs, and boats, this made-in-the-USA product delivers professional-grade results. It's a dependable investment for anyone seeking a cleaner, smoother, and better protected vehicle finish. Now, number 4, Zulsuf 2 PCS Rust Remover Spray. This heavy-duty rust remover spray offers a fast and convenient way to restore metal surfaces without the hassle of extensive scrubbing. Its powerful formula quickly breaks down rust on tools, automotive parts, grills, stainless steel, iron, and other metal items, helping bring them back to a cleaner, like new appearance in just minutes. One of its biggest advantages is the simple spray-on application. Just apply the product, allow it to work, and wipe away the loosened rust. No sanding or aggressive scrubbing required. This saves time while reducing the effort typically associated with rust removal. Despite its strong cleaning performance, the formula is gentle on metal surfaces, helping remove corrosion without causing unnecessary damage. The precision spray nozzle ensures accurate coverage, minimizes product waste, and makes it easy to reach targeted areas. Ideal for home, garage, or workshop use, this versatile rust remover is a practical solution for maintaining tools, vehicle components, bicycles, fences, and countless other metal items in excellent condition. And our last choice is Rust Coater Rust Fighter Aerosol. Rust Coater is a premium rust protection solution designed to stop corrosion before it starts while preventing existing rust from spreading further. It forms a durable protective coating over metal surfaces, shielding them from moisture, oxygen, and other elements that accelerate corrosion. This makes it an excellent choice for preserving automotive frames, undercarriages, tools, trailers, and other exposed metal components. What sets Rust Coater apart is the expertise behind its formulation. Developed by professionals with over 40 years of experience combating corrosion in the harsh Rust Belt climate of the northeastern United States, it is engineered to perform in some of the toughest conditions. The formula provides reliable, long-lasting protection that helps extend the lifespan of valuable metal parts while reducing maintenance costs. That Rust Coater's commitment to producing only premium quality products is evident in its performance and durability. Whether you're restoring older equipment or protecting new metal surfaces, this rust inhibitor delivers dependable, professional-grade results that keep corrosion under control for the long term. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.